In this question, ABCD is a square and APB is an equilateral triangle. So because this is an equilateral triangle, these sides are equal. And as it is a square, all the sides of the square are also supposed to be equal. So these all are equal. Now because this is an equilateral triangle, this side will be 60 degrees. Same here, this side will also be 60 degrees. And this whole thing is 90 degree because it's a square. All the angles are 90 degree. So this is going to be 60 and this is 90. So this would be 90 minus 60, that is 30 degree. Now this also makes an isosceles triangle. Triangle PBC is isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle as these both sides are equal. So if this angle is y, this is also y. So we'll have y plus 30 degree will be equal to 180 degree. So 2y will come as 180 minus 30, that is 150 degree. So by this we can find the value of y. That should be y is equal to 150 by 2, 75 degree. So y is coming as 75 degree. We can easily find the z also because this whole angle is 90 degree. So y 75 degree plus z will be equal to 90 degree. So the value of z will be 90 minus 75, which is equal to 15 degrees. Now x is left. So for x, we can find this angle. If we take this angle as A, then this angle will also be A. Reason, this makes an isosceles triangle. And this angle is 90 degree. So A plus 90 degree is equals to 180. So 2A will be equal to 90, A will be equal to 45 degree. Now this angle is coming as 45 degree. If we consider this triangle, our triangle APB, not this one, let's consider this triangle. We don't have a name for this, we can give this a name of O. So this triangle AOB. In this case, we have all the three angles of the triangle 60, X and 45. Sum of these angles is 180 degree. So the value of X will be 180 minus 60 minus 45. That will come as 75 degree. So these are the answers. X is coming as 75 degree. Y is coming as 75 degree and Z is coming as 15 degrees. And remember to do this one also.